Hello everyone, this is the fifth chapter, measure of dispersion. This is last part, okay, part 4, okay, then chapter will be finished. See, if you have any doubt, any question from exercise, from question paper, university question paper, just comment me, I will give you the solution. Okay, now we will see the standard deviation of combined group, last topic of this chapter. Before that, we will see how to find standard deviation of frequency distribution. One more example for the frequency distribution. Okay, before starting the question, we will just recall the formulas. See, for the standard deviation, we denote standard deviation by sigma, okay, and the basic formula is summation x square upon small n minus x bar square. This is for only observation. We just recall all formulas, only observation, okay. Then if we have frequency distribution, then we use this formula, summation fx square upon capital N minus x bar square for frequency distribution, okay. We called it as a direct method, okay. Next method is next is the deviation, okay. For the deviation we use summation d square, d is called the deviation, upon small n minus summation d upon n bracket square for observation only, for observation, okay. Again sigma equal to summation f d square upon capital N minus summation f d upon capital N whole bracket square. See, it is also in a square. So these two formula for the deviation, we called it as a deviation method. Okay. Now next is a step deviation method, okay. Sigma equal to summation d dash square upon n minus summation d dash upon n bracket square into h. H is the outside of square root, okay. It is for only observation, okay. Again sigma equal to summation f d dash square upon capital N summation f d dash upon capital N bracket square into h is for frequency distribution, and both formula belongs to step deviation method. Clear? Okay. Now we will see one more example for step deviation and deviation, okay. From the exercise, okay, question is very much descriptive, okay. What is question? A survey conducted to determine distance traveled in kilometers per liter of petrol by newly introduced motorcycle gives the following distribution, okay. For this statement I used only this, following is the FD, okay. Then table is given 42, 45 up to 62, 65, distance in kilometer, number of motorcycle, frequency is given here, okay. So what we have to find here? Standard deviation, okay. See, this is my example, okay. Distance means class interval, okay. Frequency is given. Now we will solve this example by using deviation method, Okay, what is the formula for deviation method for the standard deviation? SD equal to sigma equal to under root summation FD square upon n minus summation FD upon n bracket square. This is the deviation method. Okay. Now, see in the formula what we required, prepare in the table. Okay. We required FD dash square and FD, summation FD. Okay. So, for the deviation, we required to find here x mid values. Yes, this mid values denoted by x. Okay. So, mid value, how to find the mid value? We already know this, 40 plus 45 divided by 2. Okay, so it is 42.5, here 47.5, okay, 52.5, here 57.5, 62.5. Okay, here I write here total n equal to 10 plus 17 plus 23 plus 40 plus 10 is 100. Okay. Now mid value. Next is D, deviation. How to find D? D equal to x minus a. Okay. X minus a means what? X is this column. 42.5. What we have to do here? We have to decide a, assumed mean. What is assumed mean? Just take the middle value of x. Okay. Left these two values and take 52.5 is my a. 52.5 is my a. We already studied about the assumed mean. So, I think all of you know this technique. Okay. 52.5 is my a. So, x minus a means 42.5 minus 52.5. Okay, it is minus 10. 47.5 minus 52.5, it is minus 5. 52.5 minus 52.5 is 0. Here plus 5, here 10. No required to find here summation D. Okay. Okay, I'll remove it from. Okay, now what we required? We required here FD. Okay, what is FD? This 2 column. 10 into 10 minus 10. It is minus 100. Here 17 into minus 5. So it is minus 85. Okay, it is 0, 200, then 100. In the formula, we required summation FD. So take addition of this 4 number, minus 100 minus 85 plus 200 plus 100. Okay, it is 115. Next column is D square, because in the formula we required FD square, summation FD square. So that's why we are preparing here D square. What is the D square? Square of this number. Square of 10, minus 10 is 100. 5 is 25. 0, 25. Here 100. No required to find here summation D square. Here FD square. Okay, F column and D square column. Take a product of these 2 column. Okay, 10 into 100. So it is 1000. Next 17 into 25. 4, 2, 5. 23 into 0. 40 into 25. It is 1000. Again it is 1000. We required summation here. So we find FD dash square summation. So it is 3, 4, 2, 5. Write down the formula and put all values in the formula. This is my A value. Okay. What is the formula for deviation? It is summation fd square upon n minus summation fd upon n bracket square. Put all values in the formula. If I put here 3425 upon 100 minus 115 upon 100 bracket square. Okay. See, put all values in the calc and find out. Okay. Take a screenshot because I'll remove this portion. See, division of this, sigma equal to 34.25 and division of this, then take a square. So minus 1.3225. Okay. Take a subtraction. Subtraction is 32.9275. Take square root. 5.7382 is my standard deviation. Okay. Understood? Okay. See, same problem, same data. Okay. We solve it by step deviation and check whether answer is same or not. Previous answer is 5.7382. Okay, sigma is 5.7382. Only technique, only method is changed. So up to this deviation d equal to x minus a, steps are same. So next is what? I write here d dash. Okay, first I write down here the formula for deviation. Sigma equal to under root summation f d dash square upon capital N minus summation f d dash upon capital N bracket square into h. H is the class width. What is the class width here? Class width is, it is the difference between two successive lower limit. Okay, so it is 45 minus 40 is 5. So h is 5 here. Okay, see the formula what we required prepared in the table. See, we require d dash square, d dash is what? Step deviation. D dash equal to d upon h. H is the 5. D is minus 10. D column is here. Minus 10 upon 5 is minus 2. Here minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now, we required d dash square. Okay. D dash square. We require d dash square. Find the square. Sorry. Here 4, 1, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. In the formula we required f d dash square. F d dash square. So f into d dash square. So it is 40, 17, 0, 40, again 40. Okay. We required here summation, total of this. So it is 137. Okay. Now f d dash, we required f d dash also. Okay. F here, d dash here. Okay. So it is minus 20, minus 17, 0, 40 and 20. Take a summation of this number. So it is 23. Put all values in the formula. I write here. See, 137 upon 100 minus 23 upon 100 bracket square into 5. 5 is outside the root. Okay. Here sigma equal to 1.37 minus 0.0529 into 5. Okay. Here under root, take a subtraction, put all this value in a calculation and find out. So subtraction is 1.3171 into 5. Here take a square root of this number. So it is 1.1476 into 5, and this product is this 5.7382. Check out in the calci. Okay, so deviation and step deviation gives the same answer. Only see here we use direct method also. Okay, here we use deviation, here we use step deviation. Answer will be same. Only difference is in the calculation. Calculation goes on decreasing, means numbers goes on decreasing and calculation becomes easy. Okay. This is all about the standard deviation. Now next topic is the standard deviation of combined group. See, this is the next topic, standard deviation of combined group. Okay, we already saw there are two groups with the size n1 and n2. Two groups. Okay, having an arithmetic mean x1 bar and x2 bar. Arithmetic mean. And the standard deviation sigma 1 and sigma 2. Standard deviations. Okay. Then the mean of combined group is, then mean of combined group is mean. We already studied xc bar equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. This is the mean of combined group. Moreover, for the standard deviation of combined group, let d1 equal to x1 bar minus xc bar and d2 equal to x2 bar minus xc bar. And the formula for standard deviation of combined group is under root n1 into bracket sigma 1 square plus d1 square plus n2 into bracket sigma 2 square plus d2 square whole divided by n1 plus n2. This is the formula for standard deviation of combined group. Okay, and this is the formula for combined mean. Okay, we'll go through one example. Take a screenshot of this formula. See, this is the example. Find combined deviation from the following data. Workers are given, male and female. Number of workers are there. 80 are male and 20 are females. Average salary is given here. Standard deviation is given for the both group, male and female, both group. Okay, it is from exercise example number 29. Okay, we will solve it by standard deviation of combined group formula. See what they given, I write here. Size of first group n1 is 80, means male n1, I denote male as a n1, n2 is female as it is given that 20. Okay, x1 bar means what? Mean of first group is 15, 20. Mean of second group is 1420. Okay, standard deviation of first group is given here 6. standard deviation of second group is given 5. Okay. First we find XC bar. How to find XC bar? N1 X1 bar plus N2 X2 bar upon N1 plus X2, N1 plus N2. Put all values here. XC bar equal to N1 is 80 into 1520 plus N2 is 20 into, I put bracket here, 20 into X2 bar is 1420 upon 80 plus 20. Okay, using calculator, XC bar is 1500 here. Okay, now formula for sigma C, it is standard deviation of combined group. So formula is N1 into sigma 1 square plus D1 square plus N2 into sigma 2 square plus D2 square upon N1 plus N2. See, in the formula we required sigma 1 square. Find out sigma 1 square here, 36. Sigma 2 is 25. Okay. We require to find here D1 and D2. So D1 is X1 bar minus XC bar. So 1500, sorry, X1 bar is 1520 minus 1500. It is 20. D2 is X2 bar minus XC bar. X2 bar is 1420 and our XC bar is 1500. So it is minus 80. We required here square. D1 square, D2 square. So D1 square is 400. D1 square and D2 square is 6400. Put all values in this formula. Sigma C equal to C. N1 is 80 into bracket. Sigma 1 square is 36 plus 400 plus N2 is 20. Okay, sigma 2 is 25 plus 6400 divided by 100. 80 plus 20 is 100. So again put all values in the calc and find out. I calculated here, it is 16338 and the square root of 16338 is 40.4202. So combined group, standard deviation of combined group is 40.42. Okay, understood? Simply remember the formula from the exercise. The example number 31. Okay, I read this. For a set of 50 atoms, okay, total atoms are 50. The mean and standard deviation are 60 and 3 respectively. Okay. Means N1 is 50 here and mean X1 bar is 60 and sigma 1 is 3 respectively. For the another set of 100 atom, another set means N2, okay, size of group. The mean and standard deviation are 63. So mean is 63 and standard deviation means sigma 2 is 4 respectively. Find the mean and standard deviation of combined group. What we have to find here again, sigma C and XC bar. Okay, we have to find this. So try out and comment me answer. Okay, one more type is here. Group 1 is given, group 2 and combined group. What they given? They given N1, N2. Okay, N means what? Addition of these two groups. Okay, 90. They given X1 bar, mean of first group, mean of second group is not given. Okay, mean of second group is not given, but combined group is given. Okay, so what we have to find here? X2 bar from XC bar. Next, sigma 1 is given, 6. Sigma 2 is not given. Sigma C is given. Okay. Standard deviation of combined group is given and combined mean is given. From these two values, we have to find x2 bar and sigma 2 bar. Sorry, sigma 2. Okay. We will see how to find. See, XC bar. XC bar is a combined group. N1 x1 bar plus N2 x2 bar upon N1 plus N2. Put all values in the formula. XC bar. What is XC bar? XC bar is 59 equal to 40 into 54. What they given? Just put into formula. N2 is 50. This x2 bar keep as it is. N1 plus N2 is 90. Okay. Take cross multiplication. 59 into 90. Into 90. Okay. Okay. 59 into 90. It is 5310. 40 into 54. It is 2160. Sorry, 2160. Plus 50 x2 bar keep as it is. I write here. Okay. 53. Okay. 5310 minus 2160. So it is 3150 equal to 50 x2 bar. So x2 bar equal to 3150 upon 50 cancel and x2 bar equal to what? 63. So this is my x2 bar. Okay, getting or not? Comment me and take a screenshot. Now we got x2 bar is 63. Okay. Now what we have to find? Sigma 2. For that, D1 equal to x1 bar minus xc bar equal to minus 5. x1 bar is 54. xc bar is 63. Sorry. x1 bar is 54 and xc bar is 59. So it is minus 5. Again D2 is x2 bar minus xc bar. x2 bar is 63 minus xc bar 59. So it is 4. We already find x2 bar here. So x2 bar minus xc bar. Okay. Now apply the formula for standard deviation of combined group. Sigma, I write here, sigma c equal to under root n1 into sigma 1 square plus d1 square plus n2 into bracket sigma 2 square plus d2 square upon n1 plus n2. Put all values here. If I take square root on both sides, then it will be sigma square c, and here square root will remove. Okay. Square root will remove. What they given here? Sigma c is given. Sigma c is 9. So square of 9 is 81. I write here 81. Then put all values. 36 plus 25 plus n2 is 50. Sigma to keep as it is. We don't know. D2. What is D2? D2 is 4. So it is 16 upon 90. Okay, after calculation we get sigma 2 equal to 9. Okay, if any doubt in the calculation, comment me. Okay, or simply put all values in the calci and find out sigma 2, because it is simply multiplication and division and addition. Okay, here major of dispersion chapter will over. In the next session we will see the 6th chapter, correlation and regression. Thank you, dear student. Please subscribe my channel, share to your friends and comment me. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye.